Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix MyFitnessPal app login error. So first of all, in order to fix your issue, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your connection is not stable, you would have issues logging in the application. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, tap on the search option at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar and search for MyFitnessPal. From here, tap on the application. Once you come here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, all the errors and bug issues will be fixed. Now, the third step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for MyFitnessPal. From here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to fix login issues of MyFitnessPal application. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.